You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Make a great choice today with the 2024 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, panoramic sunroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
There are plenty of reasons that Audi certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi certified cars, performance, and peace of mind.